I want you to be honest with me for a second. How many times today did you pick up your phone just to check the time and then suddenly realize 40 minutes had vanished? You didn't mean to scroll. You didn't even enjoy it, but you were trapped in a loop. Instagram, then TikTok, then email, then back to Instagram. And now your brain feels heavy. It feels foggy. It feels fried. And the worst part, you have actual work to do. Big goals. The dream life you promised yourself in 2025. Down to focus feels physically painful, like trying to run through wet concrete. You aren't lazy. You aren't stupid. And you definitely don't have bad luck. You are physically intoxicated. Your brain is swimming in a chemical soup of cheap dopamine. And today, we are going to drain the swamp. I'm going to show you a reset protocol so powerful. It genuinely feels like cheating. But first, you need to understand the trap. Imagine your focus is a bank account. Every morning, you wake up with $100 of focus currency. In 1995, you would spend that $100 on work, reading, and hobbies. But today, you pick up your phone at 7:00 a.m., check a notification, that costs $5. Watch a 15-second cat video, that costs $10. Read a stressful news headline, that costs $20. By the time you actually get out of bed, you are bankrupt. You haven't even started your day and you have zero focus left. This is why you feel exhausted even when you haven't done anything. Scientists call this dopamine downregulation. Think of it like loud music. If you listen to heavy metal at max volume all day, you can't hear a whisper. Your phone is the heavy metal. Your textbooks, your business, your gym routine, those are the whispers. They are too quiet to compete. So, how do we fix this? Most people try willpower. They try to force themselves to listen to the whisper. That never works. Instead, we are going to turn off the heavy metal. Welcome to the 24-hour Neuro-Reset. This is not a digital detox for fun. This is surgery. Here are the 3 rules you must follow for the next 24 hours. Rule number 1, the Greyscale protocol. Go into your phone settings right now. Turn your screen to black and white. Color is a drug. Those bright red notification badges are designed to hack your biology. When you strip away the color, your phone looks like what it really is, a boring tool. You will instantly notice you stop checking it because your brain doesn't get the reward. Rule number 2, aggressive boredom. This is where 99% of people fail. When you stop scrolling, you will feel an itch, an intense, uncomfortable boredom. Most people panic and turn on Netflix. Do not do that. Sit with the boredom, stare at a wall, fold your laundry, watch the clouds. Boredom is not the enemy. Boredom is the reset button. When you are truly bored, your dopamine receptors start to heal. After 2 hours of staring at a wall, writing an essay suddenly sounds exciting. Doing your taxes sounds like a party. You are resetting your baseline. Rule number 3, the monk mode block. Once you have survived the boredom, you launch your attack. Pick the one task you have been avoiding for months. Set a timer for 90 minutes. Phone in another room, door locked, and just start. The first 10 minutes will hurt. Your brain will scream for a distraction. Push through. In minute 15, something magical happens. The noise stops. Time dissolves. You enter the flow state. This is the state where you produce your best work, where you feel like a genius, where progress feels automatic. This is the cheat code. Most people never reach this state. They live their entire lives in a distracted shallow zone. But you are going deep. If you do this reset protocol once a week, you will lap everyone around you. They will ask you what your secret is. They will ask how you get so much done. You can tell them it's magic, or you can send them this video. Listen to me. 2026 is coming fast. Do not let it be another year of, I'll start tomorrow. Start the reset today, right now. Put the phone down and go do the work.